Hi friends, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now I'm going to show how to use Apple's Live Listen feature with beatsfitpro. In iOS 14.3 and later, Live Listen supports beatsfitpro, Apple's sporty Beats branded earphones, making it possible to use your iOS device as a directional mic and have the audio relate to your ears. As an accessibility feature, the idea behind Live Listen is for it to be used by people who are hard of hearing or need extra help separating voices in a loud environment, but it can be useful in other ways too. So just in case you wish to use Apple's Live Listen feature with Beats Fit Pro, let me show you how it's done the quick way. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, I'm going to show how to set up Live Listen on iPhone and iPad. To get it, launch the Settings app on your iOS or iPadOS device and then tap Control Center. Then tap Customize Controls. Then scroll down and tap the green plus button next to Hearing to add it. Now it's time to use Live Listen on the iOS or iPadOS device. To get going, put your Beats Fit Pro earbuds in and then connect them to your iPhone or iPad in the usual way. After that, launch Control Center on your iOS or iPadOS device. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen or swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the Control Center. Then tap the hearing icon. Then tap Live Listen option. After that, place your iPhone or iPad close to the person you want to hear, preferably in front of them. If the output to your Beats Fit Pro earbuds is too quiet or too loud, use the volume buttons on your iPhone or iPad to adjust the volume level. That's all there is to it. So that's how you can enable and use Live Listen feature on your Beats Fit Pro earbuds. If you have found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.